Finding your rhythm is not just about a pattern or equation, it's about the feel. Anyone can tap on beat, but making music is about creativity and personal experience. Our rhythm, though, was more of a banging or clanking at best. Don't get me wrong, we were all trying, but getting into the swing of chaos and spontaneity isn't an easy thing to do. The kids were acting up, or maybe I should say lashing out for taking them on this crazy journey, but whatever the case, we were making the best of it, and despite all the changes, we're really enjoying seeing this amazing country we live in. We'd left Lake Oahe for Boise to resupply, then it was off to Chalice, Idaho to meet up with our Instagram friends, Our Journey Overland. Alright, well, that was our experience at Lake Oahe, but it was a good time. It was fun, met a bunch of cool people, and it's kind of interesting. I kind of like staying in campgrounds because you meet so many people and make new friends, and now we're off to Boise, Idaho to resupply and figure out where we're going, what we're doing, so yep. Alright, we made it to town. We're at good old Target to get a handful of things that we realized we needed and didn't have. And maybe get some food because Dad is starving. I'm going to be grumpy in a second if I don't get some food in my belly. But back in civilization. Spontaneity. It's one of the most important attributes to living on the road. Things can change in an instant, and your ability to deal with that is the difference between enjoying your existence or praying for your demise. So when Dad decides to forego staying in Boise for the 4th of July and instead makes a midnight run for Chalice, Idaho to spend it with our friends, we all take a deep breath and settle in for a late one. Okay, so we left Boise. We were going to stay in Boise tonight, but we got all our stuff done. And we're meeting our friends at Land of Yankee Fork State Park, I think. We're supposed to meet them there tomorrow, but we decided I'm not that tired. I should be, but I'm not. And so I'm going to hightail it. And it's another 3 hours and 12 minutes. Arrival time is midnight. Anyways, that's where we're headed, that's what we're doing, and the roads are beautiful. Alright, well, it's almost 10 o'clock and we just woke up, and last night we had quite the adventure. Dad got a hair up his ass and decided that we were going to drive all the way, 4 hours away, to where we're going to meet up here with Our Journey Overland. And so we hightailed it, got in about, 1 o'clock. Got to sleep about 1:30, 2 o'clock. And we just woke up. We went over grocery shopping yesterday. By that I mean we kind of bought the whole store. And we're not sure if we're going to have enough room to put everything, but we'll make it fit. So, fun. Got everything loaded, water filled, and we are a heavy beast. So now we're headed back into Chalice to meet up with Our Journey Overland, Nate and Carrie and their Nightmare Kids, I think is what their names are. That's what we Insta-stalked them and tried to figure out. But yep, heading that direction. It's beautiful out here. Didn't really see anything coming in because it was dark, but it's crazy. All right, we're here at a tea shop, espresso and bakery, and we're gonna meet them here. So, yay, yay. Happy 4th of July, by the way. You want a drink? There you go.
And then what are you getting, sis? Do you want something to drink, or do you want to get a drink and then share your drink with Jackson? You guys can share the
Hey! How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Fantastic.
Alright, well, we met up with Nate and Carrie and Kyler and Drew. Good people, good people. So now we're just about to head out on some trail and hit the old Custard Highway. See some old historical stuff and whatnot, so good times.
We usually drive by a spot like this and then we go, all right, this is option A.
Yeah.
And then we keep going down, all right, this is option B. You know, keep going down. And then we'll do that until way too late. And then we go
all the way back to option A. That's kind of what we did last night. All right, this is our spot for the night. Found a little place right by the creek. It's pretty. It's a little overgrown, but we've got that mat we can put down.
We'll ask us. Come on, buddy.
Up to this point, we'd pretty much traveled alone, just us and the open road. But it was good to finally meet up with another traveling family and spend a few days not just enjoying their company, but learning a thing or two from Our Journey Overland. Their family had already been on the road for 10 months, and Nate and Carrie had a lifetime of adventures before that, so we were anxious to glean a few insights from their experience. We spent our first evening together talking story and trading overland gossip, and while it felt like we'd already been friends for a lifetime, we still had so much to learn from our new friends Nate, Carrie, Kyler, and Drew. So we woke up early and hit the Custer motorway in search of new memories and old history.